I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Makemytrip account and confirming your gift card code and remaining balance, because accuracy saves time at checkout. Once done, pick your flight or hotel with the fare type you want and enter traveler details. Make sure dates and names match ID exactly to avoid issues. Next, select extras like baggage or seat, because those affect payable amount. Now proceed to the booking summary so you can apply the gift card during payment. You reach the payment screen and select the gift card or coupon field, because this is where the value gets applied. Enter the code exactly, including hyphens or uppercase letters, and then tap Apply to see the deduction. If the full fare isn't covered, make sure to choose a secondary payment method for the remaining amount. Once the gift amount reflects in the total, double-check fees and taxes, then confirm payment to lock the booking and receive instant confirmation. You finish by reviewing the booking confirmation and invoice to ensure the gift card deduction is visible. This prevents surprises at check-in. If the code fails, check expiry date, remaining balance, and that you typed characters exactly, because most errors are input-related. If problems persist, contact Makemytrip support with your booking ID, screenshot of the error, and gift card details so they can apply a manual adjustment or suggest next steps. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.